Hi guys, it's Tammy, and if you're thinking you've seen this video before, you probably have not, because I've done two others almost identical with some yarn hauls right before this one. So stay tuned if you haven't seen the Wool Warehouse, because that's what I'm about to show you now. Oh, I'm so excited. And this is package 1 of 2, I believe, and this is actually my third purchase from the Wool Warehouse though, and I think this was my first purchase, but it's the last one to come. So it is here, and let's rip it open and see what's inside. Not very glamorous, but this is pretty glamorous. We got some yarn. I have so many things I need to cast on. It's just crazy, and my heart goes pitter patter, pitter patter. I'm so excited to try these things. So I have projects picked out, I think, for everything that you will see in here, or at least 80% of what you'll see in here. And the first thing I have is Drops Alpaca. This is an all-time favorite, it says. This is Yarn Group A, which I think means it is fingering. And it is 50 grams and 183 yards of alpaca. It's beautiful. And I have this beautiful lavender color. This was, I think, Lavender Heather. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. So I have an ivory and a lavender. And more lavender. And then I have this lilac color. It is gorgeous too. Look at the little alpaca. And it says 100% alpaca. And it has a nice halo. You can see that up here. It's beautiful yarn. And it feels really, really soft. So there might be some more of that. Oh, here's a turquoise color. Maybe it's a light blue, but it's beautiful. And here's some more of this. And this is all for a sweater that I am going to make. Actually, it's not a sweater, it's a poncho that I'm going to make. And I'm pretty sure that all of these are for that. I know that this is, and one of the lilacs, I don't know if both of them were, but I'm pretty sure this one was. I know that this was, and I know that this was, and maybe that lilac color too. And it seems like there's one more color, and it's probably this pinkish color. Beautiful. It's like a, maybe a coral. Super nice. I have another one of those. And then I have this Drops Baby Alpaca. And it's a wonderful mix of baby alpaca and mulberry silk. And it says to use 3.5 millimeter needles. It is 50 grams, 183 yards, 70% alpaca, and 30% silk. So, oh my, it is super soft, super nice. Oh. It feels like a cloud. It is so nice. And I'm not exactly sure what I got for this for, but I'm sure it's something because I have several. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. So I don't remember exactly what I got those for, but something wonderful, I am sure. Oh, and then I have this Drops Air, which is just gorgeous, and it's in this kind of this, maybe a mulberry color. It is so pretty, and it feels like nothing. It feels like air. And from what I understand, they push something through this. I don't know how they do it, but sounds pretty cool. This says a medium thick blow yarn, which is what I think means that they push something in it, made of baby alpaca and merino wool. This is color 14, if anyone is interested in that. And it says to use a needle size 5mm, and it's 50 grams and 164 yards, 65% alpaca, 28% polyamide, and 7% wool. And it is 100% gorgeous. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not done. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 skeins of this beautiful yarn. So this is enough to make a sweater, and I am super excited. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, I have so many things I want to cast on, like crazy. I am going to be a knitting fool. And then I have number 23 Pagoda of this Malabrio Rasta. I love the Malabrigo yarn. It is just gorgeous. And I saw a pattern for, I think it's a hat, that required 1 skein of the Rasta. So I thought that I would give that a try. And I really like this red color. It's like a deep wine red. It's just so squishy and nice. Oh my goodness. Seriously, this is like a cloud. All of this. It's just beautiful yarn. And I got this from the Wool Warehouse. Check them out online. And then last but not least, I got 2 of the Malabrigo Mecha, or Mecha, and this is the number 120 Lotus. So I would say Mecha, but I'm not sure if that's how they say it. And it's Malabrigo, and it's like beautiful purple and blue. There's turquoise in there, and I have 2 of those. And I don't remember what I had in mind for those, but I do have a list of things, so I will be able to check my notes and figure it out. But oh my gosh, it is just gorgeous. Malabrigo yarn is one of my favorite. This one is pure merino superwash, 130 yards and 100 grams. And this one says that it's a US size 10 or 11, which is a 6 to 8mm needle used for these, because this is a rather chunky yarn. It's not as chunky as this one, but it is pretty chunky. So this one again is Rasta, and this one is the Mecha, and they're both Malabrigo. So that is everything that I got. I think that finishes up my order, so I'm not expecting any more yarn. So hopefully the next time you see me, I won't be looking the exact same. But I don't even care, because this is like my Christmas. It's so nice, cuddly and soft and heavenly. I got some knitting to do, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.